Hi, welcome to Five Mantra. This we are going to discuss about pointers, right? Already we are once again welcome back. Just we concluded, right? Okay, what is the size of the pointer? Size of the pointer is 2 bytes in DOS. Okay, the C language, DOS C language, and the next one is the integer have integer own point, integer pointer, float have a float pointer. Pointer is also have a pointer. Structure is also have a structure pointer. Like now, I want to work with the arrays. Okay, what is the difference between array name and pointer name? Before that, I'll discuss what is the array. Okay, array is a when I say array is a contiguous memory allocation for more than one similar data type element. It is an important definition. Once again, I am explaining. What is the use of the array is a normal variable. I can hold only one variable, one data, right? But with the help of array, more than one data with your application, there you will get a confusion, right? How many variables you will create? For example, you want to get a your friend's date of birth, okay, or your friend's salaries, right? How many friends you have? 100 or no, at least 10 members. 10 members data you want to save in one place. When you say 10 members data you want to get, 10 variables you have to work and 10 variables you have to manipulate. It is very tedious task, right? For doing this collection of collections and generics, some concepts are there in a C Sharp and some other languages, Java, right? That starting point for that is a arrays. Okay, what is the use of the array? How to define array? What is the use of the array? We'll go with that. Okay, first of all, array is a contiguous memory allocation for similar data type elements. Okay, contiguous memory allocation means I want to get the my friends marks, right? I have a 10 members friends. 10 members I have friends, like each one have one marks, like one have a 900, another one is 190, sorry, 919, and like 219, like, okay, something like I have a 10 marks. I need to save these marks or something like some data. Okay, I want to save. When you have a data, you can manipulate anything, right? First of all, you have to save the data. So for doing this, what I have to do is 10 variables I have to define. It is very unnecessary redundancy task, right? To reduce this, what we have a variable that is the array name, and here you have to provide a basis. In this way, you will define one array. Like these are the integer value, because of that I used integer, and how many numbers? These are the n numbers I need, and name for that is a. Now what will happen is when I define one data with the 10 size, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and once again one block 9, like, okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, like 10 blocks will be created, and each block size will be the 2 bytes. Each block size will be the 2 bytes. Okay, now how much bytes here? 2 bytes, 2 bytes, 2 bytes, 2 bytes, like 10 into 2, that is a 20 bytes of memory is required, right? 20 bytes of memory block will be assigned, and its name is nothing but a. Its name is nothing but a. Okay, in this way this array will be saved. Now what is the use of this is it is used to hold more than one data element, similar type data element in one memory block. Okay, and this type of memory allocation we call as a static memory allocation. When this memory cannot be increased, cannot be decreased. That is a big problem for static memory allocation. Okay, and what is the difference between pointer variable to array variable? How to interact with the array with the pointers, that we are going to discuss. Just it is introduction. What is an array? Array is a contiguous memory allocation for similar data element. Integer values. I want to save 10 values, because of that I am using this block. Okay, and each block have a starting address, right? And maybe this block is saved into the 2000. Just remember, okay, starting address of this is 2000. Now when I want to get a first element, how to get it? So it is important one. Okay, saving the element is very important, and as well as retrieving element is also very important. So logically your compiler is helping to recognize each block different independently, right? How to do that one? That we called as a indexing. Like your index will be start from 0, 1, so on 9. Like how many elements I have? 10 minus 1, like 9 elements. Why? Because your first element will be the 0th element, and last element will be the 9th element. With the help of that, I can access how. It is a simple way. See that for first element, whenever you want to get a first element a of 0, okay, it will give the 1. Maybe in that memory block we have a 1, right? It will give the 1. Now I want to assign a of 2 with the some value 219, right? Directly you can give the 219. This 219 will be placed into the third place. In this place it is a 219 will be saved into that. Okay, in this way the memory allocation will be done. This is the simple assignment operator. What is that? This is the assignment operator. A of 0 will retrieve the 1, a of 2 will equal to 219. If you write, what will happen? 219 will be copied into this. Like that I can manipulate, I can retrieve the data. So with the help of index value is not no need to change. You cannot change anything, and it is a simple enumerated type. Like it will each block will be enumerated, means numbers will be assigned automatically. Okay, with the help of arrays. Now what I need is I want to work with the pointers. What makes difference between pointers and array variable? Why? Because if you observe, a is also holds a starting address. For example, now I want to print a. What it will print? I want to print address of a. What it will print? That programmatically we will see that. See that hash include std io.h, and the next one is hash include conio.h. Next, these are the important one, right? Next I want to go with the void main. Void main is the important function. It is the starting point for my application, and here I want to define int. Now I need a equal to a of 3 elements. 3 elements means 0, 1, 2. Okay, 0, 1 to 3 elements only I'll take. Like now I want to get the first element a of 0 equal to 1, 2, 3. Next a of 1 equal to 2, 3, 4. Like some random number I am giving, right? A of square bracket, that is a square bracket is very important, boss. And with the help of this I am giving, okay, 3, 4, 2, right? 4, 3, 2, right? Something like. Okay, now I have a 0, 1, 2. Why? Because my array is 3 elements only I have, right? With the help of 3 elements I can get it, right? I'll go with the printf function. With the help of printf function, what I can do? I can print. It is a standard IO function, and here I want to print integer value, so I have to go with the %d comma first a of 0, what it will print. And now I want to print the address also, right? Address is, okay, %u. Every time remember that you have to use a formatting specifier for any data. It is already I said integer. It is address is nothing but an unsigned integer. Okay, with the help of unsigned integer, what I can do is I can print the unsigned integer data. So whenever you want to print unsigned integer, you have to go with the one formatting specifier, that is a %u. Okay, now I need comma address of a, right? address of A of 0. Now I'll print this, right? Okay, once it is completed, I have to go with the get ch. Once it is get ch is completed, then I have to close the main function. Open and close is very important, and once it is completed, what I have to do is I have to CLR SCR is a function, right? I have to go with the CLR SCR function. So when you want to run, okay, now I have to give the name is a pointer demo. Pointer demo 1, right? Okay, 123 address is 65520, right? 123 address is 65520, please. Now what I'll do is, okay, I'll print once again, same, 3 times I'll do that. Okay, when you want to copy in a DOS environment and easily you want to do that, you go with the control insert, and the next one is shift insert, right? Once again shift insert. Now I need 3 data members, right? Just what I'll do is, with the help of indexing value, I'm getting that. Okay, first one is 0, I no need to change. Next one is 1, next one is 2. When you want to use the escape sequence, what is the use of the escape sequence? Okay, just a moment, new line, right? Yeah, so you will get next line, the value will be in the next line, right? Sorry. Yeah, now I'll run the application, just follow these. 123 address is 65520, and next 234 address is 65522, and 432 address is 65524. Means it is a contiguous memory allocation. Remember, this is the contiguous memory allocation. Now if you observe this is address is 65520, 65522, 65524. So what you just observe, this is the 2, like each integer is a 2 bytes, so because of that size is increased to 2. So this is the address. Now I'll go with the some modifications into that. Okay, if I print what value I'll get. Okay, this is the A equal to simple A, and sorry, shift insert, right? Okay, now same thing I'm doing, right? Okay, now I'm running the application. When you run the application, just observe the output. A is a 16, and see that address of A is 65520, and when I print A percentile B format, okay, it is not possible. Because of that, it is giving the 65520 is a starting address, 65522, 65524. It is address only, right? Once again, what I'll do is, instead of using percentile D, I'll go with the percentile U. Maybe because of memory overflow, the data will be printed in that way. Now we'll check. Nothing was changed, right? A is the 65520, that is the address of first element. That is the address of first element. And the address of A is also pointing 65520, means here you can say that the array name is nothing but a pointer variable. Okay, array name is nothing but a pointer variable. A is working like a pointer variable, is nothing but a pointer variable. Pointer variable, it holds the block of address, right? This block address will be held by this, and so what is the block starting address is 65520. Why? Because it is a 0th element address, it is the first element, and a 6th second element, like. And I have a 1 2 3, and here 2 3 4, here next one is 4 3 2, like 3 elements. I have starting address is 65520, next it is a 2 2, next 2 4. Like contiguous memory allocation, that is over. But now we concluded that this is also pointing same thing. This address of what is the this address of A. What is this? This is the simple A. And what is this? This is the address of A of 0. Like so, if you observe these all are pointing same thing. Means it is like a pointer variable. So what I'll do is I'll go with the pointer variable. I will assign the starting address of the array and I'll work with the pointer variable same, right? We'll see that one, right? Yeah. Here I'm defining one pointer variable, that is integer star. How to define a pointer variable? With the help of star p, right? This is the pointer variable. Now I want to assign address of the p, right? Okay. Next, before also any way you can assign, there is no problem because it is a reference only you are giving, right? Okay, p equal to address of, this is the static memory allocation, address of a, or directly you can give a, right? Directly you can give a. Now p equal to a, why? Because no, first I'll go with the address of a, right? Address of a, right? Instead of so copy. Now after get ch, I'm manipulating data with the pointer variable. I'll manipulate the data with the pointer variable. Now instead of a, I'll go with the p, and this is also p. Next p, next p, next p, next p, next. Pointer variable where name is nothing but a p. Now here I have to go with p. Now shall I run? Okay, run the application. See that A is a 65520, same address. Now I'm printing with that. P is hold the 65520, but P, address of P is nothing but a 65518 somewhere else, right? I'll diagrammatically I'll explain this. Same points like 65520, 65522, 65524, same data you are getting, right? You are getting a data with the help of P, and you are getting a address of address of the memory block also with the help of P. Now I'll explain with the diagrammatically, see that how it was allocation was done. Okay, now first I have a array, that array name is nothing but a, and this is the have a 3 values 1 2, starting address is 65520, next block address is 65522, next block address is 65524. Over. Now I given a values like 123 and 234, next 432. Clear? Now if you see that it is the index value 0, it is index value 1, it is index value 2. Now after that what I did, I created one pointer variable p. Okay, and this is a block, this is the 2 bytes of block, and its address is, see that, 65518. Okay, this address, and I said p equal to address of a, right? I given this statement in after allocation. So 65520 is a starting address, it will be saved into this p value, right? 65520. Now p equal to p, what it is consists 65520, address of the p is 65518, and 123 address is, with the help of this we are getting element directly. Okay, in this way the values are we are getting, and this is the simple one. Now with the help of this program, what we can conclude is this: a pointer variable is nothing but a array variable. Array variable is nothing but a pointer variable. There is no makes difference, but only pointer have a static memory allocation. Runtime we cannot increase, we cannot decrease. Okay, that is the important thing you have to remember. Okay, and array name is nothing but a pointer variable. This is the total code, and this code is available with people, and just drop your mail ID, then we'll send this code to your mail, right? Source code. Okay.